It's normally so fulfilling when you find an apartment 2-bedroom in Kilimani for 9.5, especially when you want to live in and the apartment is around 97 square meters. If you're not buying it for investment, why don't you consider something like this? Same budget, a 4-bedroom bungalow, standalone in a gated community, but all the unit comes with their own gate. They are not in a gated community in a way that you are overcrowded in one place, but it's a gated community in this aspect. At the farthest end, there is a main gate coming all the way. All these houses share that main gate. Let me take you through the house so that you can see what 9.5 gets you in Ongata rongai rimpa, similar to one who is buying a 2-bedroom apartment 90 square meters for 9.5 in Kilimani. But if you're buying for investment, go for the Kilimani. But if you are living in, consider this. Hii utachewa jukuu, wewe utaishi ndani na familia yako, and you'll enjoy. You love Dennis for this. You'll come one day telling me, Dennis, you know what? You helped me secure a home. That's the pantry. This is the kitchen, working tops. There is a sink over here, a double sink. Here is the cooker, where you'll have the cooker. You can do a wood extractor over here. There is a provision for that. There is this countertop where you can do a coffee, do some coffee. Here is the living room, well lit, natural lighting with a wall unit for TV. You see the kind of lighting this developer has gone for. On this side, you have this as bedroom 1. This is the bedroom 1. It comes ensuite. It comes ensuite with a mirror, hand wash, a toilet, and a shower head. On this side, you have this, though it's closed, it's also a bedroom. This is the common washroom, guests, which shares with that bedroom. This is another bedroom, comes ensuite. So 3 of the bedrooms are ensuite, 1 not ensuite. So it's a 4-bedroom, 4 washrooms. Have a look at this. Then this is the bed space. Then coming to this side, the master bedroom is on its own. The master bedroom is on its own, which is on this side. This is the master bedroom with the semi-walk-in closet. This is the washroom where you'll do the partitioning with the polythene or the glass to do the shower cubicle. Look at the kind of shower heads that this developer has considered. It's a very nice one. I love it. It comes also with these mirrors and a hand wash. You see? And a toilet over there. So this is a perfect unit for a family when you're working with the budget and you don't want to get in the busy side of Nairobi. This is in Rimpa, Ongata rongai. Ongata rongai is not far from town, and the fact that nowadays the road has been expanded makes the traffic manageable. We nowadays don't experience traffic over here. Let's see the backyard, what it has to offer. Over here, you have the washing area, which will be closed, enclosed with some kind of what is it called, polycarbonate sheets. Then Here is where you do the wash over there. Then come to this side. You have a tank which you can add some bigger. Then good thing I love with this house, you can walk all around your house, something you cannot do in an apartment. And the crowd is manageable here. You have a very nice kitchen garden over here. Don't mind about the noise. I don't have a microphone. Yeah, so it's something nice. Consider calling me today to view them. Thank you so much.